welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Myka, and for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a color correcting concealer, and today I'm gonna use BYS Conceal and Correct. So before we start, syempre gagawin ko muna ang aking mga skincare ceremonias. And for my toner, I'm gonna use a Foodaholic Jeju Food Healing Toner. Then, for my moisturizer, I'm gonna use the Skin Farm It's Real Aloe Mist. And for my primer, Elana Cosmetics Primer. Okay, so after ng mga seremonyas, i-open ko muna ito. Teka. Finally, so let's start. As you can see, yung BYS Conceal and Correct palette ko ay may 6 essential concealer cream shades. So ito mga to, pwede itong pang-camouflage, conceal, correct, and contour. So later on, malalaman natin kung ano yung purpose ng each shades. So keep on watching mga loves, and I'll teach you how to use it now. So first, I'm gonna use the green one. So green helps cancel out redness. So para to sa mga pimples natin na nagmumura, yung mga bagong tubong pimples. Ayan. Or kung nakagat man kayo ng lamok and namumula-mula pa, this is the perfect concealer for you. So now I'm gonna use the purple shade. So para naman to sa yellowness natin sa face. Wala naman ako masyado. I'm gonna use the yellow shade. So yung yellow shade naman is great for correcting dark circles. Kaya naman ilalagay ko siya under my eyes sa aking nagmumurang eye bags. Pero mahal yan dahil pinaghirapan ko yan. Pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay sa upper part ng lips nyo kung kakashade nyo lang ng mga mustache ninyo. Now, I'm done with my color correcting concealers at tingnan natin kung effective ba talaga siya. So, first, I'm gonna use my favorite na foundation from NYX. So, spread it lang all over your face. And what I like about the BYS concealer is it's quite creamy and blendable, which is something desirable for a product underneath the foundation and concealer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my look. I'm done. Look at the result, guys. I'm very happy with the product. This is quite a nifty product and it comes in handy talaga. And I really do notice a difference when I use it. Tingnan nyo naman, redness is reduced when I use the green shade, and I'm able to create a cocktail that really helps with correcting my dark circles, which is the main problem and main concern ko talaga. So for a quick recap, the purple shade helps counteract yellowness, green helps cancel out redness, yellow is great for correcting dark circles, and the other shades are your typical concealer shades that you can use for both spots or underneath the eyes. So that was the BYS Conceal and Correct Concealer. And that's a wrap! Are you guys into using color correctors? Then what color correcting product are you using? Tell me in the comments below and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe!